everyone, good morning. Today is Friday and Friday is our activity day. So this activity we are doing today in our class. See the picture, paper mouse we are making. So what all you need for this, let's see that. You need craft sheets, fairy stick, black marker or black pen, scissors.
Okay, we need three color sheet, that is white, black and pink. If you are not having these sheets, you can use any color of your choice. Okay, so let's start with the cutting part. First we are going to cut the body of the mouse. For that you have to cut a rectangle. You can take any size and just cut. So like this, a rectangle sheet is needed and we are going to fold it like this. You can cut it little short like this. Next, with the same black sheet, if you are having, if not you can use any other, we are going to cut the ears of the mouse. So you need to draw a circle on this. Draw a circle and cut it 2 ears. So from the same black sheet, we are also going to cut the tail of the mouse. So let's cut it. So now let's continue with the another sheet. I'm going to take the pink sheet now, and from this again I am going to cut 2 small circles, smaller than this one. Okay, as we are going to paste it inside this, so it has to be smaller than this. So let's cut it. See, these circles are smaller than the black circle, as I am going to paste it inside here for the ears only. This is for ears only. Okay, cut little bit smaller circle. It is going to be the nose of the mouse. I've cut 3 circles. 2 is the bigger one and 1 is small for the nose. Now I have taken this white sheet and I am going to make whiskers and eyes with this white sheet. So let's start making that. So for whiskers you have to cut thin strips. I'll just show you. Now cut the eyes of this mouse. From the same white sheet, we are going to draw 2 small circles and cut them out. Like this. So this is going to be the eyes of the mouse. So on the white small circle, I'm going to draw the eyes of the mouse with the marker. You can use pen also, and if not you're having not pen, black pen, you can use pencil also. Now let's just start pasting all the parts. First we are going to do with the body. You have to apply fairy stick at the end like this and just paste it like this. Like this. Only at the end. Now we are going to paste the small circle in the black one. So just paste it like this. Please do it. Now paste whiskers on the nose like this. I'll just paste it and show it. So let's just start pasting now. This is the body of the mouse. Now we are going to paste ears on the top like this. Like this. Next, paste the eyes. Like this. And now you have to paste the nose and the whiskers over here. Like this. And the last thing you have to do is just attach the tail like this at the end. So our mouse is ready. You see it?